Get ready because we're about to dive deep into a world of racist Karens spreading their mighty terror everywhere, only to learn that their actions have some pretty tough consequences. This Karen claimed to feel threatened because she was the only white person in line.
They're doing the best they can. Don't give them a hard time.
Nobody's giving them a hard time.
Yes, you are.
I'm making a comment.
And keep
And
your
standing your
comments to
damn business.
yourself.
Who the hell is speaking to you? No one's talking to you.
You're the one that's doing
You are
a hard
butting
time.
into my business. But he's talking to you. Shut the up and mind your business.
Shut up.
Like trash.
This dude puts his Karen wife in place after she was caught being racist to another couple.
You better get beat.
Beat the f up. Literally get beat the f up.
Beat.
I can't believe you actually said your name.
He don't know you. You don't know him. You don't know her. You get in the car. I'm about to.
Aaron, get your stupid in the car. Get in the car, Aaron. Get in the car,
You do not
Aaron.
know him. You do not know her. You don't know anybody around here. You are not special. Get your stupid in the
Crack dealer.
No, he is not. What? Because he's driving a Buick?
You got crack.
Wait. You cross-check that
You
fucking
got
head?
crack.
Hey, I'm sorry, y'all. Hey, if you'll see that on the road, no, she can't no goddamn thing, man. If you'll see
Aaron, get in the car, Aaron. Aaron, get in the car, Aaron.
I know y'all will do shit. No, she can't no goddamn thing.
You drug dealer, babe. Come on, drug dealer. I need some drugs.
Yeah, exactly.
Looks like black people's names are a bit too complicated for Karen's teeny tiny brain.
Names that they're never going to get even pronounced right, let alone spelled right. Like, why would you do
over
that?
there. Do you know why they actually do that? The reason for that
What
is
is it?
because during slavery, their identities were taken away. So they had to have unique names in order to identify their offspring when they were sold from different plantations. So that came down generationally as generational trauma.
Okay, well, how about now? Isn't that sort of trauma for that poor kid that's never going to have his name spelled right?
Only to your standards. Like, what is...
If I were that child, I wouldn't want my name misspelled all the way through or mispronounced by people.
That's because
also,
people
like-
can't take the time to pronounce it correctly.
Whatever.
You can say
The result is-
supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, but you can't say Jaquan. Are you kidding me?
Okay, whatever the result is, the poor child does not have his name pronounced correctly or spelled correctly.
Because people do not take the time. You can
Okay,
take the extra
whatever
2 seconds to do it, but instead you're sitting here making fun of a whole culture of people for things that they didn't have a choice on.
Do you have a name that gets misspelled a lot?
I sure don't.
Well,
Because
you
my
gotta
mom
hold on.
whitewashed my name.
So that's racist.
This racist Karen goes to an Asian restaurant only to complain about Asian food.
Look at it. It's wrong. Absolutely. And it's going to lie about you because you don't go that age.
Yeah,
that is raw and it's water.
Listen.
Water.
You don't live here. I'm calling the police on you.
What are you going to do?
Calling the police on
Take
you.
off your cheesecake.
Get out of here. And do not ever phone me again.
Excuse me, I'm a Meltzer, I'm a born here. You came over on a boat.
Looks like this Karen's apology is just as racist as her actual tantrum.
Early Boasting thanks to you, not me.
I feel that, but you can't say things like that.
And I apologized, didn't I?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you apologize. You said it 2 times. You came out and told me what your parents would have called me and this and that. I don't give a f.
I told you I went to school with black people.
It doesn't matter. They don't give you the right to say the N-word.
Well, then you can leave, but my stuff is not coming off your truck.
Shit me. Yo, coming right off this truck, lady. Get your clown out of here.
Fucking remove my stuff.
That coming off my truck, period. Racist lady.
I'm not gonna have them remove me ever again.
We don't move racist people anyway.
I'm not racist.
Yeah, alright. Take your in the crib, lady.
Honey, I'm moving to the crib, and I lived on the crib. I lived on 24th and 4th, so I know what the crib is.
This Kevin is offended by Black History Month and calls it black supremacy.
Very offended by this book right here. This is anti-white racism. Anti-white racism, sir. I don't appreciate that. And this right here is black supremacy. Where is it? Yeah, I am black history. That's black supremacy. We got another one, black history. Where's the white history? Where's the white history, man? You know, I am black history. Where's the white section? Is there, you know?
Well, this is for Black History Month.
Do you have a white history month?
Not at the moment. We go by month based on the pictures and all that. Currently, Black History Month.
We need white lives matter too, you know?
Okay. Well, you can call corporate and ask them to implement that. They can talk to you from there.
Alright. Shoot, man. You know, what's up with all this anti-white racism going on? You know, this is white hatred, folks. You know, look at this. Where's the white culture? Where's the white culture, man? You know, white lives matter. White lives matter, sir. This is black racism.
Sir, I'm not gonna respond to anything you say. Have a good day.
Sir, this is anti-white racism. This is black supremacy.
Sir, if you could not say anything further to me, I would have a better day that way.
This is black supremacy.
You have a wonderful day, sir. Enjoy whatever you find.
LGBT fascism too. Sick of it. This boy is heated. You know, I'm upset at this stand right here because that book, White Fragility, that's anti-white racism. You know, that's racism towards white people. So, and then you have the Black History and the Black History Month. You know, where's the White History Month, and you know, where's all that?
Isn't every day White History Month?
No, it's not. You know, there's a lot of anti-white racism going on in this country.
I can give you the customer service number, and you can, you know, your concerns can be heard by them. So you'd like the number?
I'll post a video and I'm sure they'll contact me, but I appreciate it though. Thank you guys.
This dude got arrested and went off on a racist rant threatening the cops.
Motherfucker will rush him with a press the button, yo. You go down.
Alex, what's up, man?
Can we have a conversation?
Yeah, you can talk to me, man. We're good.
Can I actually?
Here, I'm gonna sit in this seat so I can talk to you while my partner drives.
But do I trust you?
Yeah, you can trust me, man. I'll just drive so I can talk to him.
Brother.
Alright, man, what's up?
Don't f with me.
I'm not messing with you, man. I didn't want to take you in.
Pause?
Yeah, we're paused. I still gotta do what I gotta do. I told your dad where we're going. He's gonna come pick you up in a little bit, alright? You sober up, you'll go home, you'll see your wife.
Can you pause for a second?
We're on pause. What's up?
He's driving right now.
We still gotta go somewhere.
Do you understand that the person will press the button and all you f***s are done?
What is that? What button? What do you mean, man?
Okay, record. You should take yours off of me.
Yours is on? Where is it?
Yeah, record. Record, I ain't gonna do sh**.
Alright, man.
Yeah, it's alright.
So, Alex, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
That's
You have the right to have the presence of an attorney be with you prior to and during questioning if you so desire. If you cannot afford an attorney, you have the right to have one appointed to you prior to questioning. Do you understand your rights?
I have both.
What was that?
I have both.
You have both. Do you understand your rights?
Do you understand that my rights is f***ing worth than all your f***ing life combined? Do you understand that? What's your name?
I've already told you a bunch of times, man.
What's your f***ing first name?
I told you that 3 times already.
What's your f***ing name?
It's Mike.
Mike ain't mean sh**.
Hey, man, I haven't threatened you once.
Mike. Mike.
Yeah.
Mike.
Yes.
Look me dead out in your eyes.
Alex, what's going on, man? I told your wife you were okay. I did you a solid.
Mike. Look me in your f***ing eyes.
Yeah. What's up, man?
What the f*** is going on?
So, we get a phone call that somebody crashed into some signs in the parking lot. We show up to make sure everybody's okay.
Everybody is okay.
We still have to confirm that. So we pulled you guys over.
It is okay.
We confirmed that. While we're talking to you, you threaten to cut me up and you reach under your seat. I tell you to stop and you don't.
Mike, how much you making a year? Straight up.
What does that matter?
No, straight up.
It's all public record.
No, Mike, straight up. How much you making a year?
Base pay for an officer right now is $94,000.
Your person right here, how much is he making a year? Your person right here, how much is he making a year?
Me?
Yeah, bro.
I make enough money.
How much?
I make enough money. I'm not.
No, don't go me. You making enough money. How much you making a year?
I make more than 94,000.
94,000. Okay. I'll make 250 easy in a week.
Okay. Well,
exactly.
Teach me how to make 250.
Exactly. I'm trying to.
Well, tell me. You talk.
Motherfucker, you make it 250 a week, right?
You said a week. I could if I want to.
No, how much you make in a week?
In a week, I'm not going to disclose.
Exactly, because you probably make 90 grand in peanuts, right? You're making 90 grand.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Ryan, how much you make in a week?
Man, we already had this conversation.
Exactly.
What is the conversation?
Guys, whatever the you're gonna do with me, I'm making 300 grand a month. Whatever the you're gonna do with me,
just pay the fine.
Exactly. I wanna make a right with you guys. Holy I'm making 300 grand a month. There's nothing you can do. You arrest me, you do whatever the you want with me, your parents is gonna get it's alright. You know that. You know that, motherfucker. 300 grand a month, no matter how the way you make it.
Alex, have I threatened you once today?
I've never threatened you once. I'm just saying, help me out.
So why do you keep threatening me and my family?
I'm not threatening you. I'm just saying the real shit. I'm making 300 grand a month.
Kevin thought that the best place to yell racist slurs was at the airport.
Racist! Racist motherfuckers! Racist! Cause you're like a black people. Yo, you're black? You think you're black, dude? You think
dude, stop, man.
Man?
Stop.
You, man. You. Really, you black people that shit, man? Dude, you're No, yeah. Do what you gotta do. Go do what you gotta do. Go do what you gotta do. Make your minimum wage bullshit. This is bullshit. What are you fucking doing?
Dude, don't talk to these people like that.
What?
Don't talk to these people like that.
You're a piece of shit, man. Who the do you think you are, dude? You're a gay Shut the
Don't. These people do not deserve for you to talk to them like that.
Touch me? I'm not touching you. Can we take a walk? Yeah, let's go. Can we take a walk? No, don't make it rough. If you want to see your key, no, I'm the officer. No, he wants to make a big deal.
I don't. I want you to walk out like an adult because you can no longer.
I'm not going to fucking. I didn't do anything wrong.
You got about 2 seconds to keep person to me, and I'm going to show you something. Okay? We're going to go ahead and walk on out. Okay? I'm going to ask you one last time.
Just walk
in. Let's walk out.
Yeah. Where did you face?
You want to walk out like an adult, or you want to go in handcuffs? And I'll embarrass you tonight. I really will. Do you want to fight me? I want you to walk out. Let's go. Walk out. Stop. Let's just stop. Come
These two were so bored at the subway that they harassed an Asian guy.
Why you say what you had to say to me before?
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah, come say what you...
Ching-ling down, ching-ling down.
Konnichiwa.
You can take your... Yeah, wow, it's so crazy.
Real racist, eh?
We're so racist.
You're the only one making it racist because you're sad about being Chinese. Like, literally get the out. No, you're literally making it racist by saying...
Things got a little heated at this nail salon after Karen yelled at some of the customers present.
Fat you a fat and the rest of you motherfuckers go back to Vietnam. You hoes.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. That was extremely inappropriate of her.
Karen has a full-blown tantrum in the grocery store and decides to be racist to other customers.
Sit down! Don't you dare talk to me in front of my kids like that, motherfucker!
Call the cops because you threatened me.
Watch it!
It's not even worth it.
Watch it! It's right. It was on camera. That's why, because there were dinners in these tapes.
Oh, don't say that.
Eric! Put your hands on me. Put your hands on me. Come on.
Eric.
Put your hands on me. Put them on me.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry. I don't
Eric, come on. Eric.
You motherfucker.
Eric.
You motherfucker. I'm a motherfucker. Eric, motherfucker. That's why you're in these tapes. Please. Watch this motherfucker.
Eric, go sit down.
Okay. All right. Eric, go sit down. You Eric. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. You motherfucker.
This racist dude starts ranting after a guy was kind enough to buy him something he needed.
Get the out. No. You gotta go. Go right now. Leave. Leave right now. I want this talk. It's only $6. Leave. Talk is only $6. Leave right now. Leave. Why? Leave. I want this talk. I don't have my mom and dad no more. I don't have a job. I want this talk. Sir. You taking it personal. Sir. You won't let me have the talk. Right in front of your face. Leave. Leave. Can you buy it for me? Can you buy it for me? Can you buy it for me? So is he trying to help you? No, you're trying to play me. I can't help you. Will you let me have it? Will you let me have it? She said she's gonna let me have the talk. Hey! I ain't the alone! That's my job! I need my motherfucking talk! I need my job! Hey, she said she's gonna buy it for me! You said you're gonna buy it for me, right? She's gonna give me the talk, right? God damn it, I want talk! I hate this shit! No way! You oh, you dumb Negro! All of you!
Oh my God. Wow.
This super woke Karen gets triggered by an anti-racist pin.
And you don't want to be, is that correct? I'm just trying to understand the pin. Can you tell me?
Ma'am,
I have sincere question because you have it all over your uniform. You have no response to being aspiring anti-racist?
This isn't the time.
Well, then why are you showcasing yourself like that?
Karen thinks she's being threatened by a black person just minding her business and doing their job.
Ain't nobody ganging up on you. You know what you was doing. You was harassing that woman in between those doors. You can't deliver her package.
And you black people can't.
Hello, brothers and sisters. Now, we've seen how the world has been changing, and now color has been a very big factor, and color has been used to distinguish and discriminate people and deny some people their opportunities, their rightful opportunities in life. And I'm talking about a certain group of people. Now, the people of color, we the black people, have always been segregated and have always been discriminated for the longest time. Now, just days from slave trade, when it started in the 16th century to date, and still people have not acknowledged, and they are still living in their denial that black man can still do better than them, that black people equally deserve chances as them. Now, if I'm not being biased, by the way, there is a clip that I took a look at, I came across while on the social media, and I saw white people are now worried because they are now it's like they are being distinct. It's like they are fading away, and they are now supporting interracial marriages. They want their lineages. They want their generation to continue. But in this generation that we are living, still someone has the audacity to discriminate someone on the basis of color. If you were to talk about color, superiority and inferiorities, how a person is superior and how a person is inferior, then I could say people of color are very superior. We've seen whatever they can do. They have tried all they can do to hide the good things from the black man. Now, from their continent being blessed, from their color being blessed, now we saw Russia opened its vaults and they declared it to the world that Jesus was in fact indeed black. But why have they been hiding? Now, look, I've been having cases, seeing cases on the internet, on the social media of black people being discriminated. Now, see whatever happened to that guy, Floyd, who was killed back then in 2021 or 2020 between the 2 years. Now, it brought so many speculations. People talked, but the talk finished. We are talking in an era where we've seen footballers, we've seen sportsmen, athletes being discriminated in front of cameras, in front of millions of people watching. You all know Serena Williams. She was once discriminated in the arena and she went out of order and everything. So many people talked about the incidents. One thing that will never change, a group of people, white people are good, yes, but a few of them are rotten with not with corruption, but with racism. They still think we are living in the 16th, where black people were made to believe that they are more superior. The white people are superior and gods, where they were viewed as people who can't die, as people who have all the powers in this world. But we are in the 21st century, my friends, and the world has moved on, and people have realized a black man is as superior as a white man, and black people can do better than any other race. Now, it should be put in books and on records that black people have been denied their rights. They have been denied opportunities just because of their color. And you know what? The most irritating part is we are in the 21st century and these things still continue. These things haven't faded away. I'm so glad how this racist Karen was shut. This is how it should happen. We've seen other white people advocating for equality. I'm very proud of that. They are coming out of their dreams. They are coming out of their denial. They are now seeing the reality that indeed people of color can do better. People of color are not whatever we've been told all these years. These people can work. These people can do anything that we can do. They can do more better than us. So there is no need to discriminate them. Thank you so much for having taken your time to watch this video. I really appreciate my people. One love, equality.